In this video, we're going to learn how to use the add method in Python. So the add method is what's called a magic method or dunder method. It's a method that we can create inside a class definition in order to define how objects of that class type should behave when using the addition operator. We call this operator overloading, where we're overloading how the addition operator should work with objects of this type. So for example, let's make a class to represent bank accounts. We'll have class bank account. And we'll say that bank account objects will have a balance attribute that's going to be set to some initial deposit. So we'll have the init method with self and the initial deposit as parameters, and we'll set the balance attribute equal to the initial deposit value. Then we'll also define a print balance method. So we'll have def and we'll call it print balance. And what this method will do is output balance colon followed by the balance itself. Now let's create two bank account objects. We'll have account 1 is equal to a bank account with an initial deposit of 1,000, and we'll have account 2 is equal to a bank account object with an initial deposit of, let's say, 2,000. Now, if I try to add these two bank accounts together like this, with new account is equal to account 1 plus account 2, this is not going to work because we haven't defined how the addition operator should work with bank account objects. So now, if we save the program and try it out, we're going to get an error. So we'll try it here, and we'll get this error here. Unsupported operand types for the addition operator. So it's telling us we can't use this operator with objects of this type. What we could do though is create the add method, and the add method will allow us to define how the addition operator should work. So here we could define the add method, and we'll have self, and we'll have another parameter here that we'll call other. So when the add method is called, it's going to be passed the other object, and we'll be able to access this object using self. Now the add method can do pretty much whatever we want, but we'll do something that makes sense in the context of bank accounts. What we'll do is add together the two bank account balances, and we'll return a new bank account with a combined balance. So we'll have total is equal to this bank account's balance and the other bank account's balance. Then we'll return a new bank account object with the combined balance. Now, if we call the print balance method of new account, we should get the combined balance. So if we save the program and try it out, we'll get here a balance of 3,000, because what happened was now, because we defined the add method, it was called when we tried to add these two bank account objects together. And this one here became self, and this one here became other. We add together the two balances, and we return a new bank account object with the combined balance, which is what new account becomes. So that's why we have a balance of 3,000 here. So this is how we can use the add method in Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.